Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Prastawira Madika. My student number is F3112135 and I'm from group C. I'm gonna telling about narrative essay. The definition. Narrative essay is a story about your experience, either imaginary or real. It can be also tell a story of somebody's life. So you can just like legends myth or you maybe telling story about your life maybe or your parents' life or your sister life. It can be too. And then next, the components of story. The component story is number one is plot, and then character, and setting, and descriptions. Okay, let's next to the narrative essay following the storytelling linear plot. The first is exposition or introduction. This is the beginning, from story or essay. From the narrative essay, it's just like introduction. And then the second one is raising action, where the problem or the action is starting up. And then climax, I think this is the final time or the top of the problem of the maybe can also action. So this is the tops or the maximum time of the problem. It was named climax. And then following action, the following action is the problem is starting to be done, and that was the ending of problem is the following action. And the last is conclusion. The conclusion is this is the end of the problem and the end of story 2. It can be 2, but in the climax it was just like another that. The beginning, the narrative follows the storytelling linear plot is maybe I just gonna add the picture in this side. In the for the beginning it was just like exposition introduction, and in the middle is rising action, climax, and falling action, where the action is started and starting to end and started to beginning. And then the end is conclusion, where the final problem is gonna be ending at this slide. Okay, I'm gonna give you the picture. And at the beginning introduce and describes the people, place, and time of a story. It was just starting from the story. And at the middle it can be several paragraphs and can describe more action, because at the middle we can know the action is starting, then join to the maximum time or the top of the time of the problem, and then starting to the end of the problem at the middle time, and then the end is resolve or complication. So the problem is just like ending and end story with a twist, and then leave a reader with a question or mystery too. It can be at the end. And then the next is point of view. Point of view is have 2 points. This is first person or I, and third person, her or his. It just can be like that. And maybe just that from me. My name is Muhammad Prastawira Madika. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends if this material is useful to you and your friend. See you. Goodbye. Muhammad Prastawira Madika. Check this out.